Hello children, hope all are fine and healthy. Myself Kokila Bhatia, teaching maths for standard 7th in Hcf Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, welcome you all. Let's continue with lesson number 3, Hcf and Lcm. Let's go for practice set 14. Here children, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3, you are going to do it on your own. Let's go for question number 4. The fourth sum of practice set 14. Find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. Now here children, the smallest number is the LCM of the given number that you know. And the remainder in each case is 5 that is given to you in the question. So the required smallest number should be 5 more than the LCM of the given numbers. Now first you are going to take out the LCM of 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 and whatever LCM you get, that with that you are going to add 5 to it, and when you get that answer whenever you divide it with 8, 9, 10, 15 or 20, you will get 5 as the remainder. Now you will find the LCM of 8, 9, 10, 15, 20. Now here children, 8, 10 and 20 is divisible by 2, whereas 9 and 15 is not divisible by 2. So 9 and 15 you will write as it is, and then 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 20. Now here again 4 and 10 is divisible by 2, but 9, 5 and 15 is not divisible by 2. So you are going to write 9, 5, 15 as it is, then 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Now here again 2 is divisible by 2, but 9, 5, 15, 5 is not divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 9, 5, 15, 5 you will write as it is. Then 9 and 15 is divisible by 3, whereas 5 and 5 is not divisible by 3. So here you will write 3 3s are 9, 5 5 you are going 3 5s are 15 you are going to write, and 5 and 5 you are going to write as it is. Again 3 is divisible by 3 and 5 is not divisible by 3. So you write 3 1s are 3 and you will write 5 5 as it is. Now this 5 is divisible by 5. So you will write 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. After finding the LCM of 8, 9, 10, 15, 20, you will write LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, and after multiplying you will get 360. So the required smallest number is 360. Now you are going to add 5 to 360. So 360 plus 5 is equal to 365. Now when you divide 365 by 8 or 9 or 10 or 15 or 20, you will get the remainder 5. The fifth question. Reduce the fraction. The first one is 348 divided by 319. Now to reduce a fraction to the lowest term, we have to find HCF by using division method. To reduce the fraction to the lowest term, we have to find the HCF using the division method. That is, you have to divide the bigger number by the smaller number. So the bigger number here is 348. So 348 is to be divided by 319. So you get 319 ones are 319. After subtracting 319 from 348, you get 29. Again, you are going to divide the previous divisor, that is 319, by the remainder, that is 29. So 29 11s are 319. Now this 29 is your HCF. Now 348 divided by 319 is equal to 348 divided by 29 upon 319 divided by 29. So when 348 is divided by 29, you get 12, and when you divide 319 by 29, you get 11. So when you reduce the fraction 348 upon 319, you get 12 upon 11. Now reduce 221 upon 247. Now again divide the bigger number by the smaller number, that is 247 divided by 221. So 221 ones are 221, subtract 221 from 247, you get 26. Bring down 221. Now you will divide 221 by 26. So 26 8s are 208. Subtract 208 from 221, you will get 13. Then bring down 26 and divide 26 by 13. 13 2s are 26. So your HCF is 13. Now 221 upon 247 is equal to 221 divided by 13 upon 247 divided by 13, which is equal to 17 upon 9. 437 upon 551 is to be reduced to its simplest form. Now again divide the bigger number, that is 551, by 437. So 437 ones are 437. After subtracting, you get the remainder as 114. Now this 437 is to be divided by 114. So 114 3s are 342. Again subtract 342 from 437, you get the remainder 95. Now 114 is to be divided by 95. So 95 ones are 95. Again subtracting 95 from 114, you get 19. Then bring down 95 and divide it by 19. So 19 5s are 95. The remainder is 0. So your HCF is what? 19. So 437 upon 551 is equal to 437 divided by 19 upon 551 divided by 19, which is equal to 23 upon 29. Sixth sum. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. If one of the numbers is 216, what is the other? First, you are going to write the product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Then you are going to substitute the values, that is the product of two numbers. But now here they have not given you two numbers, they have given you only one number. So you will write 216 into the other number is equal to 72 into 432. Therefore, the other number is 72 into 432, and when this 216 comes to your right hand side, it gets converted into division. So 72 into 432 upon 216. Now as HCF is the factor of LCM as well as the number, we can expand 432 as 72 into 6 and 216 as 72 into 3. Now to find the other number, as you have expanded 432 as 72 into 6 and 216 as 72 into 3, you are going to write 72 into the 432 was 72 into 6 upon 216 was 72 into 3. So after cancellation, your left numbers are 72 into 2, which is equal to 144. Therefore, the other number is 144. The seventh sum. The product of two-digit numbers is 765 and their HCF is 3. What is their LCM? Now again, HCF into LCM is equal to the product of the two numbers, or you can say the product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Now they have given you HCF as 3, you are going to find out LCM. So you will write 3 into LCM is equal to, now they have also given you the product of the two numbers, that is product of two numbers, that first number into second number is 765. So 3 into LCM is equal to 765. Therefore LCM is equal to 765 divided by 3. Now when you divide 765 by 3, you get 225. So the LCM is 225. The eighth sum. A trader has 3 bundles of string 392 meter, 308 meter and 490 meter long. What is the greatest length of string that the bundles can be cut up into without any leftover string? Now here children, we have to find the HCF of the given lengths of the strings to find the length of each piece of string. So 392, 308 and 490 has to be factorized by the prime factor method. Now after factorizing 392, 308 and 490 separately, you get 392 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. 308 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7 into 11 and 490 is equal to 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. Now here the common factor is 2 and 7. So 2 into 7. Therefore HCF is equal to 14. So we can say the greatest length of each piece of string is 14 meter. The last sum of practice set 14. Which two consecutive even numbers have an LCM of 180? Now here the LCM of two consecutive even numbers is 180 is given and the HCF of two consecutive even numbers is 2. Therefore, the product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Now, HCF is given as 2 and LCM is given as 180. So, when you multiply 2 into 180, you get 360. So, the product of the two numbers is 360. Now, we have to find two factors of 360 whose difference is 2. Now, you can expand 360 as 36 into 10, 18 into 20, 40 into 9. Then you are going to find the difference. That is, if you subtract 10 from 36, do you get 2? No, you do not get 2. If you subtract 9 from 40, do you get 2? No, you do not get 2. And if you subtract 18 from 20, do you get 2? Yes, you get 2. So, these 18 and 20 are consecutive even numbers. So, the consecutive even numbers are 18 and 20. With this, I complete the explanation of lesson number 3, HCF and LCM. Hope children, the concept is clear. Thank you and God bless.